I am a master of my abilities. And today is going to be a good day, right?
Yeah.
YouTube is your boy, back with a video. Got a little demonstration I'm working on. Y'all can see, Alicia got me right. Y'all make sure y'all check her out, Clipper Gods. Got one on deck right now, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is, I had to change the tail light. Got a new tail light put on, and can't let little sister roll out like this. So I'm gonna spin the camera around because I never showed her before, really. You know what I'm saying? Before I put my hands on it, on the exterior, anything like that. We're not doing the inside. I'm gonna just do a quick wash on the outside real quick, shine her up so she can be looking nice out here, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Peace. Make sure y'all subscribe. I don't know if y'all ready, but we're gonna take care of all this situation right here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take care of all this situation right here. We're gonna have this thing nice and shining when I'm done. See if I can give me a little quick 15-20 minute wash on this real quick, bring her back to life. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned, and your boy about to get busy. ran the truck out of water, not putting no more, so I'm doing the rest for my hose from the house. So y'all stay tuned and hold on. Peace. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Y'all see it's dark. I'm gonna let y'all see what, you know what I'm saying, what didn't happen to the Lincoln. Y'all ain't gonna believe it. So y'all look, y'all ready? I'm gonna turn some lights on too, since it's dark, so y'all can get the effect on it. Man, 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 man. It look like somebody got their check today. That's all I can tell y'all what this is like. I'm gonna go ahead and quit talking though and let y'all see. Y'all ready? Man, look at this. Look at that, man. But y'all look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. Ooh, look at the wheels. Look what happened to the wheels. Look what happened to the wheels. Y'all see it though. See all the bottom trimming, all the plastics been I went ahead and put some refurbished treatment on there. So the next couple of times, you know, it's gonna keep coming out, and it will stay like that for a while if you keep the treatment on it. You know, it'll keep bringing it back out, and eventually it'll be like that all the time. But woo, remember you guys seen them though. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Look at that. That boy's shining. Y'all tap into me though. If you want this to happen to you, this would be a wonderful illusion for you. Just bring your whip, drop it off or something. Call me, I'll pull up on you. And you can get this. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned. Look at this thing right here. Somebody got pimped today. Somebody got pimped by Flyroy the Trendsetter in the building. Look at the wheels. Look, even the calipers came out. Yes, sir. Look at the calipers. All right, y'all, I'm gone. I'm gonna quit talking with y'all. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, because there's more to come.